Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we'll show you how to add service charges on Square. Now the first thing that you should do is simply go to Square, and on the top right side you will find a sign in button. Just sign in into your account, and once you sign in, here you will find this page right here. And here in this interface, you will find this option, Home. When you click on it, it will open this menu. Just scroll down till you find here an all products section. You can find items and orders. Click on it. Then once you click on it, here you will find items. Just click on the items, and here you will find this section. It will open this menu on the left side. Just click on Service Library, and once you go to Service Library, click on Create Service, and it will redirect you to this page where you can simply create a service. And here you will have to enter the name of the service, description of the service. You can even add and upload an image if you want to do so, or even edit it by clicking on Edit right here. And down below right here, you will find the categorization. You can add a category, add the price, add the duration, and down below here, you will find this section right here, the section of variations. You can even create variations for the duration or schedule the appointments. After you're all done, click on the save button right here. And in case you pressed on this X button on the top left side, it will ask you if you want to confirm the saved changes. You can also click on confirm just in case you forgot that you want to save any changes. And that is it. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.